machine mo dahil dito sa Jeep's Mega Sale, starting from 250 dirhams lang. Front load starting from 510 dirhams.
Cooking range starting from 450 dirhams.
Nako, ang dami ding ref dito! Starting from 250.
Grabe, sobrang daming Smart LED TV!
May 65 inches, 55, 45, 43 at marami pang iba.
Starting from 300 dirhams.
Jeep's Mega Warehouse Sale!
2 days only!
December 13, December 14.
Saturday and Sunday!
Air cooler, 110 dirhams. Sobrang daming mga blender, 2-in-1, 3-in-1 blender starting from 29 dirhams.
Holiday season na, Christmas at New Year, meron ka na bang multimedia speaker? Ito, starting at 50 dirhams.
Stainless steel gas cooker starting from 49 dirhams.
Heavy dry iron starting at 20 dirhams.
Eh gusto mo yung steamer lang? Starting from 79 dirhams. Dry iron, press steamer, at this steam iron, 20 dirhams.
Hoy, baka ikaw na lang yung walang air fryer ha? Starting from 79 dirhams.
Mga handheld na blender starting from 20 dirhams.
Jeep's Mega Warehouse Sale! Rice cooker starting from 29 dirhams. O pangkape mo kettle starting at 15 dirhams lang.
Sandwich maker, pizza maker starting from 20 dirhams. Hair iron, hair blower, hair trimmer starting from 10 dirhams.
Emergency light nila starting from 15 dirhams.
Meron din flashlight starting from 15 dirhams din.
Vacuum cleaner starting from 60 dirhams. Meat grinder nila starting from 90 dirhams.
Electric oven starting from 90 dirhams.
Microwave starting at 110 dirhams. Sobrang daming luggage bag! Starting from 40 dirhams. Mga blankets starting at 25 dirhams.
Meron din sila mga backpack starting from 20 dirhams. Comforter set, 6 pieces na tuwa starting from 100 dirhams. Lahat ng dress na to, 10 dirhams lang.
Meron din mga garments dito for men and women at mga winter jacket, 10 dirhams.
Ito nga pantalon ng 5 dirhams lang.
Sobrang dami laruan, 5 dirhams lang. Ang laki ng teddy bears, 10 dirhams. Wow, meron din mga pabango, 5 dirhams lang. Grabe, ang dami rin mga sapatos dito, 10 out of 15 dirhams lang.
Meron sila iba't ibang sizes ng bedsheet at pillow, 20 dirhams lang.
Best offer din itong mga bikes nila. Meron din silang mga household items dito.
At mga cookwares.
At itong mga garments nila, starting at 5 dirhams.
Jeep's Mega Warehouse Sale!